Hello guys! When you install Ubuntu Bash first time on your Windows machine, you may encounter such unpleasant problems that basically you cannot install or update any packages at all. Like for example, in this case, this is a fresh Ubuntu Bash installation and I run just primary command like sudo apt-get update, and what happens that it throws me an error and says that connection failed. So basically Ubuntu cannot connect with its server for fetching and downloading all the necessary packages, and this is not very good, right? Because basically you cannot work. The problem may be that some settings in your firewall limits your connection, or maybe it's just the bad network and so on. If it's not the case, then you may need to change the default link, the archiveubuntu.com, to the one of the mirror links in order to be able to download packages. So to make it so, we need first of all to locate the sources.list file for making edits. So let's run this simple command: sudo nano /etc /apt /sources.list and hit enter. Okay, here we go. So here you can see all the links that this distro uses for fetching its updates. So obviously by default we have the main location at archive.ubuntu.com. As you see, here we go. So what we need to do is to choose any mirror link and replace it. So here we go. I found some links, actually not some links, there are a lot of them, nearly 200, as you see yourself. It's basically a lot of organizations, so universities host the links for downloading all these packages that you may need. Obviously you need to choose, well, if you want, of course, the closest to you for faster speed. In my case, I'm in Russia, that's why the closest to me I will choose, wait a minute, where it was, yeah, here we go. So I'll choose Yandex. So let's say copy that, copy. Let's go to back our terminal and sorry, let's delete the default one. So in order to insert, just right click the mouse, boom, and here we go. And we have to repeat this operation everywhere. You see where everywhere, in each place when you see uncommented line like this, including the security ones, don't worry, it's you can replace by the mirror link and it will basically contain all the security packages that you may need. So now I'll pause the video and quickly replace everything. I replaced all the links here in this file, and now we have to save it. In order to do that, please hit Ctrl X, and answer yes, of course, in order to save the changes. Enter. Hit enter. Okay, so all changes are saved. So okay, now let's run our update command. Sudo apt get update. Enter. Okay, it works. So now let's try to install some package. For example, sudo apt get install. For example, dir, and then zip manager. So hit enter. Okay, it works fine. So I hope it will help you. I'll put the link to the list of the mirror links in the link description under the video. If you have any questions, please ask them in comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.